With AnyDB, you create a customizable business system that spans your entire operations, from internal teams to clients and vendors, using three simple building blocks: smart records, reusable templates, and databases. Templates are the blueprint. They define what each record should include, like client name, job details, or delivery date. Records are the real-world instances created from that blueprint, like a contract, work order, vendor data, or invoice. Databases group related records so teams can find, track, and control access. For example, this is a database. Inside it, you'll find a record containing information of a warehouse that's already registered. That record was created from a previously built template. So every time I need to register a new warehouse, I just open the database, click the plus button, and create a new record using the same template. I can also manage all the templates I've created for each database by clicking here and then Manage Database. In Templates, you can see everything we created. And if you click on it, you can edit it. If you currently run any ops in Spreadsheets, think of each row becoming its own record, and your columns become fields in that record. The difference is that with smart records, you can build a proper system to run operations. A record can stand on its own, show only the fields that matter, link to other records, store files and photos, assign owners and due dates, and even become a form for field teams, vendors, or clients to submit data directly into your system. This means a work order can include the purchase order, the bill of materials, the install checklist with photos, and the client handover. All connected, so no copy and paste and no version confusion. Now let's see it in action. Let's start by creating a new database. You can use one of our pre-built databases or create one from scratch. In this case, let's create one from scratch and call it Inventory. As soon as you hit Create, a setup window appears to help you create a reusable record template, so you can add records inside this database. But you can also skip it and create a template later from the main database view by clicking on the plus sign. Let's keep it here for now. You'll see 3 ways to get started. Use AI to generate record templates just by describing what you need. Upload your existing data from Google Sheets, Excel, or CSV. Or pick a pre-built record template from AnyDB's library. First, I'll show how easy it is to create a reusable record template with AI completely from scratch. Let's click here in AI. You can write down what you need in this template, ask AI to suggest fields for you, or use one of our example prompts, like this. Then click Generate. You see the template being created right in front of you. There you go. Now that it has finished, you can tweak it as you like and use the same record structure whenever you need when adding a new record to a database or attaching it to another record. Let's save it. Let's create a record from this template. And that's it. Now, if you already have a table full of data and want to import it, converting each row into an individual actionable record, there's a simple way to do this. Here's how. Let's add a new record, create a new template. Let's go with existing data and upload the spreadsheet from Google Sheets. I'll pick the file I want, hit select, import, and the data is uploaded. Now I need to structure it so the rows become a smart record. I can either match it with a pre-built record template, like this, or ask AI to auto-generate one based on the fields in the spreadsheet. Let's try AI. You see a record template being built live, right in front of you, mapping each column to a clean, structured field like dropdowns, files uploads, dates, and more. If you're happy with it, click to use this template, give a name to it, hit save, hit import. From the database view, you will see your data in a familiar table format. You can even choose what fields you want to see. But click into any row and it opens up a fully structured record where you can assign to teammates, set a status, set a follow-up reminder, attach documents and notes, and even link them to other records, all in a few clicks. You need to adjust as you scale? No problem. You can tweak your template anytime, updating existing records or setting a new standard moving forward. That's what makes AnyDB different. Your records aren't static tables. They're connected, actionable, and ready to power real operations. Your old spreadsheet can now become a fully functional business system. With AnyDB, you can see everything, find anything, and work faster, all in one place. Once your records are in, navigating them is effortless. Use familiar table views inside your database to scan rows, sort and filter by any attribute you prefer, all in just a few clicks. For example, quantity in stock under 20 pieces. Let's click here, add a condition. Quantity in stock. Select it. Less than 20. Hit apply, and there you go. You can also switch between list views or card layouts depending on the process, like this. More views are coming soon, by the way. And choose which attributes you want to see, like this. Hit apply, and there you go. And if you ever feel lost, powerful search helps you find exactly what you need, fast. Let's search for alumina. Here it is, aluminum sheets record. Very easy to find. And you can do this with any record, by the way. You can't scale what you can't see. Connected data powers better decisions. Here's where AnyDB stands apart. Your records don't live in isolation. They talk to each other. Link a project to finance, HR, or vendor records, and when you update one, it syncs everywhere. No retyping, no version confusion, just one source of truth. Let's look at how it works. Let's go to HR, company directory, and let's say I want to add my team size to my main dashboard. Let's make this editable. Go to team size, right-click on it, copy the absolute reference. Let's go to our dashboards, company dashboard, make it editable, go to employees, and paste the absolute reference. And that's how easy it is to connect different departments' databases. Now they're in sync. If I change one, the other will change too. Now let's go back to HR. Let's open employees. Let's find Ava. And let's say we just hired her and you want to attach document. You can do this. Just go to File. Let's add offer of employment. And that's it. Now, every time you open Ava record, you can see every file that's attached to her. Also, other records, like employee vacation tracker, or weekly timesheet, or employee performance review. If we add a new employee into our company directory, like this, the team size will update. And if I go back to my dashboard, you see that it has updated here too. Because it's all within one platform, there's no lag, no broken links, and no fragile integration. Connected records mean less chasing, fewer errors, and a system that mirrors how your business actually works. You can't scale what you can't see, and with connected records, everything stays in view. Since we're here, let's quickly talk about dashboards. In AnyDB, they aren't just static reports. They're live, connected views of your entire company. You can pull data from any record using dynamic reference formulas and attach other records to it. Attach your cap table like this, your OKRs, and any other record you like. Use dynamic formulas to pull information from each record, like this. And you can choose exactly how to organize it and display it. Any update from any department automatically reflects in your main dashboard. There's no need to wait for reports or chase updates across teams and tools. From day-to-day status to strategic visibility, your business runs better when everything is connected. Your workflows don't stop at your team. They depend on clients, vendors, partners, and all external collaborators. Why do most tools make external collaboration messy, duplicative, and insecure? With AnyDB built-in portals, everyone works in one secure place. There are no extra apps, no duplicate files, no chaos. Just one place to share, submit, and stay in sync. All of that with no cost or guest seats. This is how you set up and use AnyDB portals. Start by selecting what you want to share, whether it's a record, a file, a folder, a spreadsheet, or even a form to collect data directly into your system. Let's say you want to securely share a client record through a portal with someone else. Go to your database and select it. Before sharing, you can choose to hide or lock a cell to prevent others from changing it. To do this, just make the record editable first, select the cell, and choose the privacy option you want. Now let's share this record with all its attachments. First, we go to Sharing and Forms. Click Share and enter the email address of a client, vendor, or partner. Set their permissions, choosing between viewer or editor access. Viewers have read-only permissions, while editors can view and make changes. You can also control attachments access for each person you invite. Once you finish setting up guest access, simply click Send Invite, and you're done. This is the guest view of the portal. To log in, the user needs to use the same email address with which the record was shared. On the portal's homepage, the guest can easily identify the shared record. Let's click on it. We can perfectly see all shared record information and attachments. The collaborator and teams see the same organized data. Here, your collaborators can access files, track progress, submit requests, approve documents, view dashboards, and get answers on their terms. If you're looking for a secure, practical, and easy-to-use portal, AnyDB is the perfect fit. Everything is stored in one place, permissions are easy to set, and all data stays updated. No more patching tools together to create portals, doing manual duplication work, or endless back and forth to collaborate externally. AnyDB gives you one secure, integrated system so your work can flow seamlessly between your teams, vendors, partners, clients, or suppliers. Your operations shouldn't feel like chaos. AnyDB unifies your records, it enables seamless collaboration with teams, clients, and partners, and it connects your systems so they can scale with you. It's not just another tool, it's the easiest way to run your business operations. Secure, connected, adaptable.